Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and advice for living a healthier life. If you're managing diabetes, you know how important it is to keep your blood sugar levels in check, especially at night. The hours you spend sleeping are critical for your body's recovery and metabolic processes. But did you know that certain bedtime drinks can actually help stabilize your blood sugar while you sleep? Yes, that's right. What you drink before bed can make a big difference in how well your body manages blood sugar levels overnight. In today's video, we're going to share the 6 best bedtime drinks for diabetics. These drinks are not only delicious, but also help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels while you get your much needed rest. So let's dive right in. First up, we have chamomile tea. Chamomile has long been appreciated for its calming effects, making it the perfect drink to help you wind down before bed. But there's more to this soothing tea than just relaxation. Chamomile tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly a compound called apigenin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. For those managing diabetes, this is a key benefit since inflammation is often linked to insulin resistance. Research has shown that drinking chamomile tea can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. In one study, participants who drank chamomile tea with their meals experienced lower blood sugar levels compared to those who didn't. The antioxidants in chamomile may help to protect the pancreas, which produces insulin from oxidative stress, thereby improving its function. To make the perfect cup of chamomile tea, steep a chamomile tea bag or a few teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5-10 minutes. For an extra boost, consider adding a slice of lemon or a dash of cinnamon, both of which have their own blood sugar lowering properties. Drink this tea about 30 minutes before bed to help your body relax and stabilize your blood sugar levels as you prepare for a restful night's sleep. Number 2 on our list is a classic. Warm milk. Milk contains a good balance of carbohydrates and protein, which can help prevent nighttime blood sugar spikes and dips. It also contains tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and sleep. For diabetics, opting for unsweetened almond milk or low-fat dairy milk can be a good choice, as these options have a lower glycemic index. Just make sure to choose milk without added sugars to keep your blood sugar levels stable. Coming in at number 3 is cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is a spice that's well known for its blood sugar lowering properties. It helps improve insulin sensitivity and can lower fasting blood sugar levels. Drinking a warm cup of cinnamon tea before bed can help regulate your blood sugar overnight. To make it, simply steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for about 10 minutes and enjoy the soothing and slightly sweet flavor. Number 4 is a Greek yogurt smoothie. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and probiotics, both of which are beneficial for blood sugar control. When blended into a smoothie with a handful of berries and a dash of cinnamon, you get a delicious low-sugar drink that can help keep your blood sugar levels steady throughout the night. Plus, the protein in Greek yogurt helps you feel full, preventing midnight cravings. Number 5 is turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. When combined with warm milk, whether dairy or a plant-based alternative, it creates a comforting and nutritious bedtime drink. To make golden milk, simply warm up your milk of choice, add a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a little cinnamon for extra flavor. This soothing drink not only helps with blood sugar control, but also promotes overall health. And last but not least, we have aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is widely known for its healing properties, but it also has benefits for blood sugar control. Drinking a small amount of aloe vera juice before bed can help lower fasting blood glucose levels. Just be sure to choose a high-quality, unsweetened aloe vera juice, as some commercial products contain added sugars that could spike your blood sugar. A small glass of aloe vera juice can be a refreshing way to end your day and support your diabetes management. And there you have it, the 6 best bedtime drinks for diabetics. Incorporating these drinks into your nightly routine can help you manage your blood sugar levels more effectively and improve your overall sleep quality. Remember, managing diabetes is all about making smart choices, and these drinks are a great way to support your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. Sweet dreams and take care!